Have you returned an item but still haven't received your refund from Tabby? Here's what to do. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to check your refund status and what actions to take if your Tabby refund is delayed. Step 1. Open the Tabby app and go to the Orders or Payments section. Step 2. Find the order you returned and check if the refund status is updated. Sometimes refunds take a few days to process. Step 3. If the refund isn't showing, check the return policy of the store you bought from to confirm they received your returned item. Step 4. Contact the merchant's customer service to verify the return and refund process on their side. Step 5. If the merchant confirms the refund but it's not reflected in your Tabby app after several days, contact Tabby customer support via the app's live chat or help section. Step 6. Provide all necessary details like order number, return confirmation, and refund amount to speed up the investigation. Tip: keep your return and refund emails handy as proof. They'll help resolve issues faster. If you found this helpful, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.